Today we're going to be doing third grade worksheet lesson 29. So let's start off with choosing units. Choose the unit you would use to measure each. Write inch, foot, yard, or mile. Okay, so number one, the length of a pencil. So we know that pencils are typically small objects, and for small objects, inches would be the best measurement for them. So number one would be inch. Number two, the distance a train goes in 30 minutes. And unlike like the length of a pencil, trains cover large distances, and for large distances, we would use mile. It, Number three, the length of a car. Cars are also large, but they're not as large as the distance that a train would go. But they are larger than a pencil, so we would use foot. The same thing for number four, the height of a refrigerator. They're large objects, but it's not that large, so we would use foot. So now moving on to using the table. Number one, how many small blue marbles are there? Okay, so the size is on the top, going left to right, and the color is going up and down. So size, we see small and blue, and that goes to two. So there's two small blue marbles. How many large red marbles are there? Large is here, and red is here. And we just go until they meet. So that would be five. How many more large marbles than small marbles are there? So this time we're just looking at the large marbles and not the colors. So there's 2 large marbles, which is 12 large marbles. 3 small marbles, which is 8 small marbles. And to find how many more large marbles there are, we would subtract 12 from 8, which would get us 4. So there's 4 more large marbles than small marbles. Complete. How many members practice for 4 hours? So 1 smiley face equals 1 member. And on 4 hours, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 smiley faces, which means 7 members practice for 4 hours. Number 2, what is the mode and the range of this data? The mode is the one that occurs that has the highest frequency, which means there's the most smiley faces, and it's 4 as the mode because it has the most smiley faces out of any other one. And the range would be the highest value subtracted by the lowest value, which is 8 is our highest value and 2 is our lowest value. So our range would be 6. Word problems. Number 1, a group of students will travel to the aquarium in 3 vans. Each van holds 9 students. How many students can be taken to the aquarium? So each van holds 9 students and there's 3 vans. That would mean we would do 9 times 3. Since there's 9 vans, there's 3 vans and each van holds 9 students. That means 27 students can be taken to the aquarium. Number 2, Amy has 8 packages of stickers. Each package has 9 stickers. How many stickers does she have? Again, similar to number 1, we have a certain number of something, and that something carries a certain amount of something. So in this case, we have 8 packages, and each package carries 9 stickers. So 8 times 9 is 72. Number 3, Jake has 6 toys in each of 7 boxes. How many toys does he have? We're just going to be multiplying again. Same thing as 1 and 2. 6 times 7 is 42. Number 4, Taylor collected 378 stamps. He has 119 stamps from the US. About how many stamps in Taylor's collection are not from the United States? So since 119 stamps are from the United States, and we're trying to find how many are not from the United States, we're going to subtract the total number of stamps by the stamps from United States. So 378 minus 119. 8, we can't do 8 minus 9 because 8 is not greater than 9. So we carry the 7. And then we added 10 to the 18 to get us 10 to the 8 to get us 18. And 18 minus 9 is 9. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So 259 stamps in Taylor's collection are not from the United States. And that's all we're going to do for today.